Hello, lovely viewers. Are you looking to enhance your complexion's radiance with natural remedies? You're in for a treat. In this video, I'll unveil 5 enchanting home remedies that will bring a luminous glow to your skin. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, giving your skin a dewy and illuminated appearance. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice and apply it to your face. Let this enchanting mixture work its wonders for 15 minutes before rinsing off. 2. Rose water. Rose water has been used for centuries to brighten and refresh the skin. Soak a cotton pad with rose water and gently dab it all over your face. Watch as your complexion becomes instantly illuminated with this magical elixir. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a treasure trove of antioxidants that can revitalize your skin and give it a golden glow. Mix a pinch of turmeric with yogurt and a drop of honey to form a paste. Apply this enchanting mask and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals that promote skin health. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your face and let the magic work overnight. Wake up to a glowing and rejuvenated complexion. 5. Papaya. Papaya is packed with enzymes that gently exfoliate your skin, revealing a fresh and radiant complexion. Mash a ripe papaya and mix it with a tablespoon of sugar to create a delightful exfoliator. Massage it onto your face in gentle circular motions, then rinse it off to uncover your enchanting glow. There you have it, beautiful souls. 5 enchanting home remedies to illuminate your complexion and make your skin shine like never before. Embrace the magic of these remedies and watch as your skin transforms into a radiant masterpiece. So, let's embark on this enchanting journey towards a brighter and more illuminated complexion. Let me know in the comments below which remedy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are beautiful, and your skin deserves the magic of natural remedies. Stay tuned for more empowering beauty tips on our channel. See you in the next video.